Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on school bag. A school bag is used to carry books and notebooks. It has straps to wear on your shoulders. School bags come in many colors and designs. Kids use it to carry pencils, erasers, and lunch boxes too. It keeps everything organized and safe. A good school bag is light and comfortable. Some school bags have cute cartoon pictures. It has pockets for water bottles and small items. Kids carry their school bag every day to school. A school bag is an important part of school life. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.